Hey y'all, it is me Hurela and I'm back with another wig review video. So today's wig is from Hurela Hair. Hurela kind of go with Hurela or whatever. So I'm so excited to be doing this collaboration with them because we are going to be hosting a giveaway. So all of the giveaway rules will be down below. Make sure you follow every single rule down below to get you a free wig. There are going to be 7 lucky winners, so make sure you read all the giveaway rules guys down below in the description box. This wig that I have on is just so freaking beautiful. I did not think that this color would look good on me, but I love it. This is a 13x4 lace frontal loose wave wig and it just looks so freaking good. It's 180% density. It's so bouncy. I did like a curtain bang effect on it and the curls are just beautiful. The curls for the girls or whatever, and it looks so good. So let me know how y'all think it looks, and don't forget to check out Hurela Hair down below and also enter the giveaway so you can win you some free stuff. Okay,